In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make text bigger on Hover in Wix. Now, the first thing I want you to do is to head over to your Wix editor and then find the text that you want to make bigger on Hover. In my case, I don't have one, so if that's the case for you as well, head over to this Add Elements button right here and add the text that you want. In my case, it's going to be just a simple header just like this. Now, when it comes to making text bigger on Hover, unfortunately, Wix have made it a little bit more tricky than it needs to be. So now what we need to do is add an interactive box. To do that, head over to Add Elements once again here in the top left corner of the screen, and then head down to Interactive right here, and then on Hover Boxes. From here, choose any of the hover boxes that you want, because we are going to be deleting them anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I'm going to go for this one right here. Now, what you want to do is delete any of the contents within the boxes. As you can see, there's a regular section and a hover section. So make sure to delete all the elements within both of them. And once you've done that, I want you to make these boxes pretty much the same size as the text that you have. Now, in my case, I want to make this box about this big, perhaps, just like this. And make sure it's also for the regular, not for the hover, for the regular. So once you've done that, remember where the box is. As you can see, the container box is right here. Get the text and drag it within the box, and then when it says attach to box, release the text within the box. And as you can see, this is now the regular view of the box. Now, in order to increase the text on Hover, what we want to do is click on the hover option, and your text should also be right here. Now, once you've done that, I want you to click on choose effect and then click on grow. From here, I want you to customize it by pressing this blue button down here. And then from here, you can basically decide where you want the text to start growing from. I want it to start growing from the center, and then how much by, maybe like 50%, for example. It doesn't really matter. Then to save it, simply click the X button right here. And then let's go ahead and preview the website and see if the changes have taken effect and if we now have a text that grows on Hover. And yeah, as you can see, it does. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make text bigger on Hover in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.